Multiply 241 by 132 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. The first partial product is 482. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 7. The second partial product is 7,230. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. The third partial product is 24,100. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 8 plus 3 plus 0 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the thousands column, 7 plus 4 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 2 plus the carried 1 is 3. The product of the whole numbers is 31,812. So 241 times 132 is 31,812.